Welcome and thanks for coming back for part 2 of Would You Rather, Health Edition. Again, let's dive into this together. Ready? Okay, just make sure to subscribe for more awesome quizzes. Let's start. Would you rather cook all meals at home or try healthy meal delivery plans? Home cooking is rewarding, but who doesn't love easy delivery? Would you rather focus on strength training or focus on cardio workouts? Strength training feels empowering, but cardio has dance party vibes. Would you rather do Pilates sessions weekly or attend Zumba classes regularly? Zumba's my jam. Who doesn't want a workout that feels like a partay hey? Sorry about that. Would you rather have a cheat meal weekly or avoid cheat meals entirely? Weekly cheats keep me sane. Strict diets scare me. Would you rather sleep 8 hours every night or nap 30 minutes every afternoon? 8 hours, pretty please. Naps make me feel like a groggy koala, and honestly, nobody wants that. Would you rather practice deep breathing daily or practice stretching before bed? Stretching before bed feels luxurious. Yoga vibes in pajamas? Would you rather eat breakfast every morning or skip breakfast but snack later? I'm all for breakfast. Skipping it makes me snack like a raccoon. Would you rather grow your own vegetables or buy only organic produce? Growing veggies sounds wholesome, but I can barely keep plants alive. I know. I'm working on it. Would you rather do sunrise hikes on weekends or do sunset bike rides? Sunrise hikes are peaceful, but sunset rides feel cinematic. Would you rather focus on mental wellness first or focus on physical fitness first? Mental wellness is the foundation. Mind over muscles, right? Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Stay healthy, make healthy choices, and remember, health works. But hey, you still haven't clicked the subscribe button. Come on, exercise that clicking finger.